I'm gonna show you how to find QR code on Signal app. First, you have to open your application, and from there you're going to choose a group chat of your choice and you wanted to extract a QR code on. So for me, I'm going to choose the beta group, which is the only one that I have. So I'm going to click on it. And from there, you just have to click on the group icon, which located at the upper left corner. And then you just have to scroll down and find the group link. Now, after you click on the group link, you will now choose to click the share click button. Then right there, you can see the QR code sign and click on it. And there you have it. Now, you can use this QR code to share it on your friends that who you want to join on the group chat. That's it.